So today's tip of the day is forget about your losses. And now that's not an easy thing to do. Trust me, I've been there too. But what I mean by this is once you get a loss, and that's something that every trader does. If it's a professional trader or if it's an amateur trader, any trader gets a loss. Me too. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is once you get a loss, learn from it. Like spend some time, learn from the mistake that you've committed. What could you do differently next time? Have a journal, capture whatever lessons you've learned from it. But once you've done that, forget it. Move on to another trade because it's another new opportunity. You have a new time frame to really explore and be positive in your next decision that you make in the market. So keep that in mind and do yourself a favor by clearing your head out by only taking small losses. So whenever you are inclined to go through a loss, which everyone would, make sure it's a small loss, because these hard big losses that could be like for some people thousands, some people 100,000, some people millions, is really hard to stomach. So capture this small, like it's a small virus, or you take a medicine when you have a slight sniffle of a cold. That's when you should actually try to prevent this or find a remedy for it, rather than it becoming into a full-blown COVID and you can't really get yourself out of it. So that's just an analogy. I hope you got what I meant is try to cut the losses small and ride the gains. And also once you have gone through the cycle of a loss, forget about it, and tomorrow's a new day. So with that, stay tuned for another video, and I hope you enjoyed this small lesson.